rain down. Yes, I do. Just as good as stand up tall. Learn to face your fears. You'll see that they can't hurt you. Just laugh to make them disappear.
For my chest, poured from a crystal cruet.
Crystal cruet?
My goodness, I'm a nincompoop because I fear I've got the croup. I need a vat of pumpkin soup and skulls made out of zinnias. Did I say zinnias? I meant silk or something shiny of that ilk. And then I'll need some nice warm milk and pastry from that zinnia.
Each one of us has something special that makes us different, that makes us rare. We have a light that shines within us that we were always meant to share. And when we come together, combine the light that shines within, there is nothing we can't do. There is no battle we can't win. When we come together, be a star to guide the way. It's inside us every day. See it now, see it now. Let the rainbow remind you that together we will always shine. Let the rainbow remind you that forever this will be our time. Let the rainbow remind you that together we will always